What's up YouTube? Today we're going to learn how to play La Perla by Eric Bellinger, and to play this song you're going to need a capo on the 4th fret, and there's going to be 4 chords throughout the whole song. It's going to be an A minor 7, E minor 7, C major 7, and B minor 7, and this is how you play the chords. Again, capo is on the 4th fret. Every chord that I explain here is going to be relative to the capo. So the first chord is A minor 7. That's going to be the 1st fret B string and 2nd fret D string. It's gonna sound like this. All right, and the 2nd chord is an E minor 7. This is super simple. 2nd fret A string. It's gonna sound like this. And then the 3rd chord, we're gonna do an open C major 7. So that's the 2nd fret D and the 3rd fret A string. It'll sound like this. Then we have a B minor 7. We're gonna bar the 2nd fret. Then it's gonna be the 3rd fret B string and the 4th fret D string. It's gonna sound like this. Okay. So all together. So for the 1st, 2nd, 3rd chord, so the A minor 7, E minor 7, and C major 7, we're gonna play those for 4 counts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then for the last part, we're gonna do a C major 7 for 2 counts and a B minor 7 for 2 counts. So essentially we're gonna switch from C major 7 to a B minor 7 in the middle of a 4 count. So 1, 2, 1, 2. And then back to the A minor 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you keep repeating that. With the lyrics, the Perla's coming off tonight. Can't wait to see you under the light. The Perla's coming off tonight. Right, so that's the chorus, right? But it's the same chorus throughout the whole song. So in terms of the strumming or plucking pattern, what I like to do is I like to just utilize the 4 middle strings. And so what I'll do is I'll pluck the 4 middle strings and then I'll hit the B string right after. So, and then I'll mute or slap the guitar. Except for that last part, I'll just pluck the 4 strings all at the same time, because for me it's easier to switch from the C major 7 to the B minor 7. So yeah, and then once you get that down, you can add hammer on. So if you so choose to. You can also, strum it or pluck it however you want to do it. It's really up to your discretion. That's just how I do it. So yeah, that's how you play the song. Right on, guys. I appreciate you guys watching. If this added value to you or helped you in any way, please go ahead and comment down below, like the video, and please consider subscribing if you want more videos and content like this. On my channel, I go over tutorials on artists such as Eric Bellinger, Blast, Bruno Mars, Chris Brown, anyone kind of in that realm or in that space. That's what you'll find on this channel. So please consider subscribing, and I'll see you guys on the next one.